round of applause as we are experiencing the grand launch of the book written by our honorable chief guest. I now request our honorable chief guest and author of the book, Dr. Gaurav Mittalji, to please come forward and grace the stage.
Good morning. So, my association with Amity University has been from your sector 125 campus, where I joined, or IT course joined as an incubating company way back in 2009. So I am among each of you only. So 2009 to 2024 कितने साल हुए? जर्नी के केवल 15 years. This book, A Monk with a Mug. What does that signify? By heart, remain a monk. Still you can afford to have Mercedes, the top class model, be it Maybach S650. So what needs to be done to reach to that level? Something which I'll little talk about it, right? Nothing is special. Only thing is दृढ़ निश्चय. क्या चीज? Dedication. If you decide and you daily basis say that I have to do this, I will reach this, तो जो सराउंडिंग की एनर्जीज हैं वो भी आपके साथ वाइब्रेट होके आपको उस लेवल पर ले जाती हैं. Since I am a firm believer of karma, I am a firm believer of destiny also. Apart from the work what we do, हम हमेशा ये बोलते हैं कि अगर शनि की दशा या राहु की महादशा या फिर केतु की महादशा, जो नेगेटिव प्लैनेट्स कंसीडर किए जाते हैं, यदि 7 साल 18 साल के लिए आएंगे तो उसके बाद वीनस की महादशा भी आएगी. सो वी हैव टू टेक बेस्ट यूज ऑफ दैट टाइम एंड देयर फ्रॉम ए मॉन्क, बीइंग ए मॉन्क, I mean, I'll not say that I become a businessman. I say from inside I am a monk. I believe in daily spiritual life. I believe in giving rather than taking. I believe in doing welfare for the society, and I believe if I do that, वो magnify होके multiply होके return back होता है. तो ये चीज आप लोग कितना भी ग्रो कर जाएं, लेकिन अपने गुरु के प्रति सम्मान. Ajay Rana ji and other faculty members of Amity, my association has been long. We used to meet when I had nothing. We were incubating company, and you know incubating company means 1 lakh की salary pay करना monthly basis पे, how difficult it is. Today, it's a different situation altogether. Company got listed in BSE in 2023 March at a price of 51 rupees per share. Today is 660 rupees in 18 months. So it's a dedication, it's your effort, sincere effort, growing your team, making them, not exactly thinking them not only your employees, but giving them the same respect and believing in them. Some of the people will be joining who will be highly experienced and who will be seasoned more than you. But what makes you differentiated is your capability to take risk. आप लोग young हैं अभी. Don't think of getting only the jobs. Think of giving the jobs. Be the entrepreneur. It's not sometimes like everyone will become successful. लेकिन यदि आप effort डालते जा रहे हैं, तो कायनात भी आपका साथ देगी। तो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है कि बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, बी पैशनेट बट लॉजिकल ऑल्सो। इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट बीइंग पैशनेट कि मैंने ये सोच लिया यही फाइनल सॉल्यूशन है तो मैं इसको कर लूँगा। You have to change your thought, you have to align yourself to the market situations. Sometimes, despite of all the good works that you do, still the stars and the environment will not be positive. Still, don't lose your heart. Just keep aligning yourself little bit, twist yourself little bit, and align to the market requirements. You will succeed in the last. With these words, I really get energized when I meet young chaps like you. We allow a lot of people to do training in our say organization, not on the technical front. I personally coach them on business front. I personally make them see three things which are important for anyone, which is the financial management, sales, marketing, and people management. So I focus more on young entrepreneurs or young generation to learn these three qualities to succeed in life. Right? So with this, thank you so much Ajay ji and Amity for giving me this honor to be here today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words were full of enthusiasm and valuable knowledge. Can we have a huge round of applause for our honorable chief guest? We are truly grateful for your presence here today, sir, and for sharing your valuable perspective with us. As we gather here today to embark on this momentous occasion, it is a tradition to honor the incredible leadership that has guided our institution to its current height. As a custom, I'll be reading the profile of our Honorable Director General, sir, but I must admit that describing his contributions to the education sector and society in just a few words is truly impossible. It is a great privilege and honor for me to introduce a distinguished personality who has been guiding light for all of us at Amity University Greater Noida campus. Steering Amity University as Director General, 2+ decades of leadership have been hallmarked by spearheading strategic program management and research initiatives. It's an honor to recognize Sir, who became the youngest Vice Chancellor at the age of 39 and has not only once but twice served as Vice Chancellor in prestigious universities. His exceptional leadership is truly inspiring, and I request our Honorable Sir, please bring this seat.
Thank you, Professor Anmol. So, on behalf of our Honorable Founder President Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan ji, who is not only the father figure of me or the father figure of all of you, but he is the father of modern education with respect to private education sector. On behalf of our Chancellor and President Dr. Atul Chauhan ji, who is the youngest Chancellor on the earth, on behalf of our charismatic mother figure, who always give us about the sanskars. Many persons talk to me, what is the beauty of Amity? Not about the students belong to the very rich family. Yes, we belong to the very rich as well as the rich heritage as well as the culture. But our Honorable Amita Chauhan ji, the ethics, values and the sanskar, on behalf of all my deans, the directors, the domain heads, the faculty members, and the young, those who are sitting in front of me, we are so blessed that you accept our invitation. We are so blessed that you are here from your busy schedule, not only grace me or bless me, but your presence, your Midas touch presence to this campus. We are so honored, and on behalf of all, we are here to thankful to all of you those who are present here. So I request you all to give a big round of applause for a standing ovation. I request you all, give a request to all of you, please give a huge round of applause with a standing ovation to all our guests. Sir, please have a seat, please. बट आई एम सो सॉरी. बोलते ना गुरु गोविंद दाहू खड़े काके लागे पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गुरु गोविंद दियो बताए. The two persons, those who are sitting with me, in fact Mittal Sahab as well, second Mittal Sahab. So me and Dr. Gaurav Mittal ji start the same journey. But I am in sector 125. Those who always ready to accept the challenging task, because I have no second option. Because I am in a rat race of more than 9,000 faculty members. I am in a rat race where I find around more than 11,000 staffs. At that time, 7 vice chancellors with Amity, with the same group. But there are the two persons who also always encourage me. One is Shri Gaurav Mittal ji, and other is Amitabh ji, not Amitabh Bhargava ji, but there is another Amitabh. Those who always faith in the mission of Dr. Chauhan, and there is only the 4 companies that time in our incubation sector, under the able leadership of Shri Ashim Chauhan ji. My faith on him, because I realize that कोई तो पैसे वाला है जो इज्जत करता है. तो उस टाइम चाय सिर्फ मेरे केबिन में ही मिलती थी और हम एक दूसरे को देख के बड़े खुश होते थे. कोई तो मिला. सुबह ऑफिस जाते हुए जब हम लोग ऑफिस आते थे तो वे भी बहुत पंचुअल. एंड सेकेंड अबाउट जब लोग घर जाते थे शाम को 11 बजे, कभी 1:30 बजे, रात को 1:30 बजे, तो देखते थे ऑफिस में लाइट जल रही है. बोलते बैठा है, मैं कहा नहीं, वो थोड़ी ना बैठा है, मैं ही बैठा हूँ. तो चाय पिलाएगा, मैंने कहा सर ऑब्वियसली यस. एंड दैट आई स्टार्ट द जर्नी ऑफ अमेठी. Journey of Amity means at that time no big corporate hubs. Faith on me because I am the placement director for Amity Education Group. बहुत बोलते हैं, बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूशन और भी तो आ जाते हैं, आप में क्या खास बात है. But he is a person who always encouraged me, Dr. Rana, इस कंपनी को भेजो, इस कंपनी को. You know there is the one Gaurav from L&D. At that time, Gaurav Mittal ji, there is another Gaurav from L&D. So, that about the journey, and that is about a really education institution take away. My dear future leaders, you have a golden opportunity for next 2 years or 3 years to interact or find your friends, true friends. Now you are make a good option to make a family of around 7 to 8 persons. All big corporate hubs. I am not talking about Tata, Birla, Mahindra or any other corporate hubs. Tata become a Tata after 175 years of background. Reliance become a Reliance after 47 years. Say what about the Birla? But what about his journey or about the journey with all those who are stalwart, those who are sitting in front of you? Not more than 5 years or 10 years. So that is about your genuine, your vision of your life. How to make a good friends, how to find out the persons, those who are stopping you time to time, आपको कहाँ कहाँ वो रोकता है, कहाँ हटस जाता है. And college means not only education. In our country, we have 1400 plus universities, 139 deemed to be university, and around 3,50,000 colleges those who nurture the students. But what is the beauty of Amity? Sir, we have only 25 years of background, and in this 25 years in higher education sector, we have around 900,000 alumni, those who work globally. Then we have around 225,000 students, those who are studying with respect to respective campuses across the globe. You are not believe with respect to where you are belong, but I belong to that institution, that name is Amity. And that's why that time we have changed the entire board. The background of this, the board is about 7th conference in a 7 years. These are the stalwarts, those who visit our campus, those who have faith on me, on my team, on my conference team. और बेटा ये आपके सामने इतने लगाए, हो सकता है जितने ऑडिटोरियम में बैठे हों, इतने guests they are visited to my campus to faith on you and to believe in your capabilities. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना गौरव मित्तल जी कि विश्वास एक बार बन जाता है, बार बार नहीं बनता. What is the beauty of Amity? We are not only in the one state like in Uttar Pradesh. Sir, for Amity University Uttar Pradesh, we have 6 campuses. And 6 campuses means with the name of Amity University Uttar Pradesh. So we have no headquarter. Is that our headquarter in Greater Noida or Noida, our main campus is so and so? No, sorry. By the partnership of Uttar Pradesh government as well as the UGC or some other education governing bodies, we are in NAC A+, plus our NIRF ranking is about means top 50. That's why the government of Uttar Pradesh give the permission to us, okay, start the campus in 3 different locations. One at Noida, that is our first campus, no doubt. Then second campus is Lucknow, Amity University Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Third campus is Amity University Uttar Pradesh, Dubai. Fourth campus is Amity University Uttar Pradesh, London. The fifth campus is Amity University Uttar Pradesh, Greater Noida. And the sixth campus, Amity University Uttar Pradesh, Tashkent. So these are the 6 campuses by the name of Amity University Uttar Pradesh, and you are belong to the same family, the first university or the first higher education institution in Amity Education Group. Why London, why Tashkent, and why Dubai? There is a partnership by the government of India, as well as the UAE government, and the Uzbek government, and the European constitution. So that is a faith by not only the Indian government, not only by the local government, but by the faith among 3 different nations. You are not belongs to the very small group that we are present in South, or we are present in Punjab, or we are present in Northeast, or we are present in some other part of our mother India. But you are so proud that we have around in UAE 21 campuses, sir. 7 countries, 3 campuses in location, so 7 3 is 21. We are in biggest campus in US. One is the Long Island, around 174 acres. Then the Seattle and the San Francisco. We are in Canada, like in Toronto. We are in Australia, 2 campuses. We are in New Zealand and many other parts. South Africa goes around 74 countries. So that is a vision of Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan. That is the vision of our about entire trustee of Amity Education Group. We are in all states, like we are comes from 13 universities, like in Madhya Pradesh, like in Rajasthan, like in Karnataka, like in Ranchi, that means Bihar, or some other part of our mother India. So my dear future leaders, so you have the 2 perspectives. Yes, you belong to a very good family, where your mother and father take a very wise decision to hand over to you for next 3 years and 4 years in my leadership. And I promise to you that about your commitment, your ethics, values and sanskar, I need only these three things from your side. With respect to your parameters, you will receive your respective degree. That is not my portfolio. But all these points, all my eminent speakers give three different things about the ethics, values and sanskars. If you have all these threes, no such power in the world can stop you at any moment. So, request to you, like Mayank sir from 2000 and Malhotra ji, that we have met on the same stage. At that time, Accenture. Sir, at that time is the managing director for Accenture. Key decision making authority. And at that time, there is the one vigilant managing director personally visited that campus. कि कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो रहा, कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रहे हैं ये लोग. And that is the faith by अगर गलत होता ना तो आज मैं सब दोबारा यहाँ नहीं आते. बेटा आपको मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ, मुझे आज बोला मेरे को मेरी चीफ गेस्ट तो बहुत मीठा बोलते हो यार. मैंने बोला सर मैं बचपन से ऐसा हूँ, because I am not belong to MIT. I belong to the very small schools or the colleges or the government universities. पर जो मेरे गुरुज ने मुझे सिखाया, जो मेरे लीडर्स ने मुझे सिखाया, आप बिरला सॉफ्ट को या एसेंशियल को या एससीएल टेक्नोलॉजीज को, वो भी आईआईटी से पढ़ने के बाद आपके सामने स्टालवर्ड्स हैं बेटा. यू आर नॉट रिप्रेजेंट द स्टूडेंट ऑफ अमेठी यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रेटर नोएडा कैंपस राइट नाउ. जो बैठे हैं ना बच्चे, बहुत से के पैर आगे निकले हुए हैं, बहुत से बिल्कुल चेयर पे से बैठे हैं. You are representing around 2,25,000 students in front of my corporate. अभी तुम्हारी चॉइस है तुम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो कमेटी को. क्लैपिंग तो जोर से बजनी चाहिए ना. बहुत जोर से. बहुत से कॉर्पोरेट प्रोफेसर्स कहते हैं, सर वाइस चांसलर बोलते हैं, स्टेज पे आके बोलते हैं कि हम वाइस चांसलर थे, मेरा गुरु ऐसा था, मेरे गुरु ने ऐसा पढ़ाया, मुझे बहुत बड़ा बनाया, मैंने इतने पब्लिकेशन किए, इतने पेटेंट किए. मैं इसको नहीं मानता, बिल्कुल नहीं मानता सर. द पॉइंट इज दैट कि जो प्रोडक्ट मुझे जो आपके पेरेंट्स ने अपना बच्चा मुझे दिया ना, आई एम कैपेबल फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 years or 3 years to your safe journey, for your future perspectives. And that's why all जो मेरा प्रोडक्ट है सर, thank you to all of you that you are here to check my capability, here to respect my words and to respect all my dear students. Okay, अमेठी का प्रोडक्ट कुछ ना कुछ तो डिफरेंट होगा. So I request you all, please be honest. Number one, with your parents. Be honest with your friends. Be honest with your mentors. And be eager to learn lot of things by your peers and your gurus. क्योंकि जैसे मेरे दोस्त मुझे यहाँ मिले हैं ना, मुझे आज कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाए मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, और मैं साहब ये मेरे लाइफ का भी फंडा है कि हे ईश्वर इतने दुख देना कि आंखों से आंसू आए. आने चाहिए बट दिखाऊंगा नहीं, क्योंकि उसको झेलने की पावर भी आपको होगी. जॉब देना क्या प्रॉब्लम है. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ मैंने 1 लाख लोगों को नौकरी दी, तो क्या मैं मयंक साहब को फोन करूंगा या इनको फोन करूंगा, सर बच्चे को भेज रहा हूँ अपने को, नौकरी दोगे नहीं दोगे. इतना तो फेथ है. ओनली द वन कॉल अवे, सिंगल कॉल. मगर ये जरूर बोलूंगा उसको बहुत ठोकना, बहुत पीटना, क्योंकि जो पीटता है और जो कारीगर है ना, जब वो मूर्ति बनाता है तो इतना बड़ा पत्थर मिलता है, और बेटा मूर्ति से इतनी सी बनती है, इतनी बड़ी मूर्ति नहीं बनती है. वो छेनी भी चाहिए, वो हथौड़ा भी चाहिए, वो प्याज भी चाहिए और वो धुतकार भी चाहिए। क्या आप तैयार हो सबके लिए? हाँ या ना? ऐसे थोड़ी ना आवाज आती, हाँ या ना? ये जुनून होना चाहिए बेटा। अभी तो मैं नहीं माइक छोड़ूंगा, अभी तो बड़ी मुश्किल से मिला है, पहले भी आप लोगों ने नहीं दिया था मुझे। The faith, 9 years, 15 years, 10 years, रहीमन यही संसार में मिली हुई सब ये सामान, इसको जरा लिख लेना आज, बिकॉज कल पूर्णिमा थी सर, उसमें लिखा है रहीम ने ये। सो रहीमन यही संसार में मिली हुई सभी सामान, ना जाने किस रूप में नारायण मिल जाए। आपको पता नहीं किस रूप में कहाँ कौन सा भगवान मिल जाए। और ये सृष्टि वो है, ये जीवन वो है जहाँ पे भगवान ऊपर से बन के भगवान नहीं आया। हमने इंसान को या उस पर्सन को उसके कर्म से भगवान बनाया। चाहे जीसस हो, चाहे राम हो, चाहे भगवान कृष्ण हो, चाहे वाहिगुरु जी हो, जो भी हो सर, चाहे अल्लाह हो, जो भी हो, उनको हमने यहीं से मैटर दिया कि ये हमारा भगवान है। और इसलिए आजकल भगवान बनने बंद हो गए, भगवान आने बंद हो गए, बिकॉज आपको अपनी काबिलियत पे विश्वास नहीं। और जो पढ़े लिखे लोग होते हैं ना, वो टाटा की तरह काम नहीं करते हैं। सर मुझे भी बहुत से लोग कहते हैं आपने पीएचडी किया, एमटेक किया, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हुए, कौन सी गाड़ी में आते हो सर? कितना एम्पायर है आपके पास? कितना बिजनेसमैन है आपके पास? कितनी बड़ी गाड़ियां हैं आपके पास? क्या मेरी गाड़ी ये नहीं है? क्या नहीं? ऐसा नहीं बोलते हैं, है बेटा, दैट इज माई अर्निंग, दैट इज नॉट माई मिशन। और मैं आपको बताता हूँ अबाउट आवर कम्युनिटी, दोज आर सिटिंग ऑन ऑल द स्टेज, जितने भी यहाँ स्टेज पे हैं, और जो हमारी कम्युनिटी को बिलोंग करता है, इंजीनियर और मैनेजर, चाहे वो फेसबुक हो, ट्विटर हो, लिंक्डइन हो, व्हाट्सएप हो, इंस्टाग्राम हो, जो बड़ी से बड़ी साइट हो, दे आर द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स who change the entire world within 10 years, within 5 years slot of time। चाहे आपकी मल्टी बिलियनर कंपनी, जो यूनिटेक कंपनी, जो भी आपकी कंपनी, फिनटेक कंपनीज हो, and that is the power of education। So with this, my compliment to my conference team, I request my conference team, please stand up। conference team, विक्रम, प्रतीक, सब खड़े हो जाओ। conference team जितने ऑर्गेनाइज किए, so I request you to give a huge round of applause for all of them। We are going to make this conference। बिल्कुल, देखो दूसरे कॉलेज से भी, कौन दूसरे कॉलेज का आदमी फेल करता है यहाँ के? क्यों बताओ? So thank you all about your great efforts। Thank you all my professors, those who are working day and night। Thank you all my domain heads, Amitabh ji, that you are coordinating with respect to all my guests। Thank you Deepshikha ji about the students that you are about take care about all these things। Thank you the allied domain, thank you to all of you। Thank you my IT team who you are present this morning। And my dear students, thank you to all of you that you are here for last 2 hours or more than 2 hours। मुझे पता है आपका लेक्चर भी है। So thank you all, thank you very much, have a great day।